2019 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. Has the stock cats right there and right there. Then the stock resonator. And what we did on this one is a FLOWMASTER 40 series. If you want it, the link will be in the description below. And it still has the stock tailpipes and stock resonators, as well as the stock tips right there and right there. It's a limited edition 4x4. I'm gonna let you guys hear what it sounds like in a second. 2020 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. Got stock cats right there and right there. Has a stock resonator right there. What we did is put a FLOWMASTER Super 44 series on it. If you want this muffler, you can see the link in the description below. And we left the stock tailpipes with the stock resonators. Didn't want it too loud. With the stock tips, 4x4 Larmy. God, I love these trucks. This will sound really nice and deep on it. Sound decibel. About 93. Decibels, good. Right at 100. All right, back it out. What do you think? You like it? What you wanted?
Not too loud.
Not too crazy. If you want it even louder, we can get the resonators out.
How much louder is that gonna make?
About 30% louder. 20-30%. Oh yeah. Let you guys hear it on the inside.